Hey Kipsters, we are going to be doing 2 example problems. These word problems are rate problems. So looking at the first one, I'm going to read it and I want you to underline the important information. Example 1. A recipe for a dessert requires 5 cups of sugar for every 2 1/2 cups of flour. At this rate, how much flour should be used if 3 cups of sugar are used? So we've learned that for a rate problem, we can do a double number line, we can use a tape diagram, we can also use a ratio table. For both of these problems, we're going to be practicing a double number line. So let's go ahead and highlight the important information. So I have for 5 cups of sugar, I need 2 1/2 cups of flour. And then it's asking how much flour should be used if I have 3 cups of sugar. So I'm going to draw my double number line. And I'm going to label it keeping the same order. So I have sugar first and flour. Okay, then I need to fill in with the information that they gave me of 5 cups and 2 1/2 cups. And then they're asking how much flour should I use if I have 3 cups of sugar. So I'm just going to extend my double number line backwards. In order to do that, I need to figure out what is the pattern. So how am I going from 5 to 2 1/2? So I need to, looks like the pattern is dividing by 2. So let's now fill in the rest of our double number line. Using the same pattern, I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, I get 1. And then I have 1, and I need to divide by 2, and I get 1/2. And then of course at the end I always have 0 sugar and 0 flour. So now I can look at 3 cups of sugar. So find 3 cups of sugar. Here's my 3 cups of sugar. And how many cups of flour do I need? So it looks like I need 1 1/2. So now I can write my solution sentence. So for every 3 cups of sugar, I need 1 1/2 cups of flour. Example 2. I'm going to read it and I want you to underline the important information here. During a thunderstorm in Houston, the roof in the gym started leaking. The janitor put a bucket under the leak to catch the water. In half an hour, a bucket is 1/6 of the way full. What is the rate at which the water is leaking per hour? Okay, so you should have highlighted or underlined. In a half an hour, a bucket is 1/6 of the way full. And then the question is asking what is the rate at which the water is leaking per hour. So again, I'm going to draw my double number line. And keeping the same order, so this is hours first. And then the bucket. Okay, so now I can fill in my important information. They gave me that half an hour, the bucket is 1/6 of the way full. So I'm going to label first my 0 and 0, and then half an hour. And the water bucket is 1/6 of the way full. Okay, so now I need to figure out what is my pattern. Well, let's see. They're asking what is the rate at which the water is leaking per hour. So I need to figure out if this is 1 hour, what is the pattern from here to here? So using this original information, what is the pattern from a half hour to 1/6? So it looks like we're dividing by 3. And I'm just going to double check that that's correct. So I'm going to take 1/2 divided by 3 and see what that equals. And I know that when I have a fraction like this, divide by a whole number, I need to change my whole number to a fraction. And then I'm going to keep my first fraction, change the sign, and flip my second fraction. Remember, I'm flipping the second fraction. And then I need to multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. And I do get 1/6. So my pattern is divided by 3. So then 1 divided by 3. And then that's 1/3. Okay, let's go back to the original question. So the original question asked, what is the rate at which the water is leaking per hour? So here's 1 hour. So remember, per hour means 1 hour. And it looks like we have 1/3. So now I can write my solution sentence. So for every one hour, the water is leaking at a rate of 1/3 of a bucket. I'm running out of room here. There you go. Okay, it's now your turn to try. Let's see how you do.